guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today Jersey's going to be showing her Poppet and her mini brand. So get started. Hurry.
Okay, so I got this ketchup.
That's mustard.
Oh. Look at this and look at this.
Hurry.
Okay. And then I got this olive milk.
It's coconut milk.
Olive!
Okay.
And then my Kraft mac and cheese. It's unicorns. And I'll show you what's inside of it.
No.
Stop questioning. Hold on. A packet. A little packet. Look.
I'll show you. Look at this.
Those are supposed to be the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese things.
Wait, let me.
Stop.
Okay, hurry.
Okay, you can show yours.
No, this is.
Oh.
I forgot. Here, I'll put it back. Okay.
Close it. Okay, next time I
The
pop
mini
it.
brands. You can get this at Walmart.
Yeah. Next time I pop it. It's very fun.
Any
Literally.
old ordinary Poppet.
I'm not Mary Poppins, idiot.
I said Poppet.
Yeah, so here's that.
Okay,
Put it out.
my turn. So,
Oh, and here's my yearbook.
that's there's trash, but okay. I have a Neato that's purple in the inside.
Ooh, I want to play with it now.
I have a Neato. Sorry. And this is super cool. I got it on Walmart yesterday. All my friends have one, so I decided to get one. And it's a fidget. I found the fidgets at Walmart. Give it to me. I gotta show
No,
it.
I want to squish it. I want to show them how hard I can squish it.
No, because you can pop it.
I squished it.
Popped it.
Ah, I'm sorry. Don't kill me.
It's
Don't
okay.
kill me.
I can buy a new one.
I'm sorry.
Because you really didn't.
I'm sorry.
You didn't.
I said I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Why are you believing me?
I will text her back.
Why are you believing me?
It's okay.
Why aren't you believing me? Why?
Okay, do you want to show this? Do you want to show this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me show them one thing about it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can. Can I show them the squishy?
No.
It squishes and it's glitter.
Okay, now let me show him something. Okay, what's this? Hold on. Come over here, guys.
No, just stand over.
Flip it. Flip it because I can't do it without it. It lit up.
Yeah, it lights up. That's what's so cool. Turn the lights off.
Okay.
Go turn the lights
No,
off.
look at this. Just smash it if it turns off. Because that's what I always do. I'll just throw it on the car.
Look, it's so cool.
Whee! Okay, now time to turn them back on. Oh, look at all my squats that I've been doing, guys.
Yep. So that was the end of that video, and I hope you liked
Because I
it.
didn't want my pancakes to be pancakes forever.
Thanks for watching.
Whoa.
And remember,
Stay cool and you are
I don't know,
worth it.
worth it.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
And eat your chicken nuggies every time.